Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Yo, fire win.
Yeah, so you know, it's your boy Any back with another video, and today we're gonna react to another video. We're gonna react to Jamaican food. I'm gonna dip on YouTube and I scroll through and I listen to the lady and I tell her so I just feel like what she has say real. So I feel like more I gonna hear what she really depend.
So, I went to a Jamaican restaurant to cause I was feeling Jamaican food today, like rice and peas and brown stew fish and stuff forth. And my husband wanted curry chicken, right? Cause my husband loved curry chicken. Remember, say I'm not Jamaican, All right.
Big man thing, dog. When I look on the food, tell me something about that food. That curry, boy, I don't know what I'm to me on this curry thing about. That no curry then a green, that curry then a yellow, no curry in the pan that. It's like them, what I say, season the meat, or them stay far and throw the curry in the pot, as we Jamaican I say. Like, you turn far and dash the curry in the pot. You see me? That's exactly what that look to me.
So, I went to the Jamaican restaurant and I paid over $30 for this and that.
The money they wanna charge people them food they for over there. Anyways, back to it.
Over $30 now for the two food them. The curry chicken here where them sell me, $11. The brown stew fish here where them sell me, this was $21. Not to mention the other two drink them mama buy. Anyways, the fish, it did alright. It could have eat.
As a Jamaican, when I hear somebody say your food did alright, it can't eat, brother, your food not ready. People will say, oh yeah man, say the food ready, the food hot, brother. Recommend people for the food, you see me? So, from she a say did alright and like she a think if and but mommy. From here I think if and but if it alright. For sure you say oh like yeah fight to get this taste where I look for and you know it not did it but it can settle for. Jamaican chef we not settle for things. For food for ready. So whoever do that, well, couple percentage gone off on a thing already. You see me? We minus something off of this, so we'll go and watch and hear what she say.
Them could have do better still because it tastes like a only. I don't know what them put on it, but it was okay. The rice tastes like when you have stale rice and you add it up in a microwave and it.
I'm here easy though. I would say rice tastes like stale rice. Stale. Eh? That's so far I wanna go for people that's on the rice. Stale, brother. Which rice people can cook nice rice and peas and say it's stale. Mommy say come like a hot them out up the rice.
Kind of soggy and puffy and the rice that tastes like them at it up and at it up and at it up.
See, them can't trick you. You know food. You see me? Them are going like them want to trick you, but them can't trick you, my friend.
Up and at it up and add water over and over again. The curry chicken not have no curry.
People don't look at that curry there. Don't that look like curry? Boy. Why me love do curry, anything to do with curry. I'm a curry mutton, curry chicken. So when I see them something there, it hurt me. You see me? Naturally, it hurt me. The chef them are foreign and sell out Jamaican. If it's a Jamaican chef do that, you don't deserve. I don't want to say it for yourself, but you don't deserve something, brother. You don't sell out Jamaican. Why you don't do that? What Jamaican do no? No for you their yard and you cook good food. And once you left and go foreign and you see how fast money. So you just hurry come up the food, brother. As I can show you a thing there. Say for instance, me a cook ackee and saltfish. Because we have to talk about ackee and saltfish. Me have a next Chef Bridging cook ackee and saltfish. Wanna get with the same ingredients, same everything. My one come out taste different. Fee one come out there taste different. You see me? Mine tastes better. Just saying. Why? The key ingredients where them are missing out with the food are the key ingredients when you cook food that separate every chef when them cook them food, brother. You have to cook the food with love, real Jamaican love. You have to cook the food with love, brother. If you don't cook the food with love, it's like you come and you say, oh, boy, I can't bother, and you just dash the food. People cook, you know when you cook, it's like you cook off your mood. So if you're in a good mood, don't come my people and work. Don't trouble the people and food, because I'm not sell Jamaica short.
Pan it. Same way the rice tastes nasty. My husband love curry chicken and him not even name this. Cause me no know what his son now cook and sell people. Let me tell you something. For the Jamaican them over here where I run, where they say them a run restaurant. If you can't cook, leave it alone. Please.
Mommy, I like what you say. If you cannot cook, leave it alone. Don't take up on you can't manage. Because you make people feel like Jamaican, as so Jamaican food supposed to taste. People, Jamaican food not supposed to taste like that. Come a Jamaican get real Jamaican food. I don't know how Jamaican food supposed to taste.
Because when I give Jamaican people a bad name, my husband could have taste this and know say this not taste good. Right? Not even curry upon the chicken. Look at the chicken white and dry.
Mommy come like some prison curry prison food that them a give the people them curry shot.
The rice and peas not taste good. Them look like them open a can of, you know them can of black bean and dash it in there. You can't even taste coconut milk. Not saying they're supposed to get coconuts here. But me cook rice and peas in my yard and
them can't get the nice grace coconut milk or any other coconut milk. I just know the portion, the amount we are going to use. Alright, say for instance, whoever do it, one simple advice me I go now. Follow one recipe. You don't know where to follow one recipe. Because una sell Jamaica short. Una give we a bad name of foreign. People eat the food and say, Ray, I saw Jamaican food, but Jamaican food not supposed to taste like that. Una do better, man. Rice and peas, una
not taste so. And my curry chicken no look so. Come on, man, you know to do better. Especially if you not charge people so much money. Right? Because in the claims, see, I Texas in the day, and fish hard to get down here. You do better, man. Do better with the cooking, because I'm sure the rice can get rice anyway. This rice cannot taste good. Because this tastes like it hot up in a microwave and hot up in a microwave and hot up in a microwave over and over.
Mommy, I kill them hot up in a microwave over and over. Eh? Them something there, do not give Jamaica bad name, brother. I can't do them thing there. I not come off it, you know. Because as a Jamaican chef, I feel a way. You see me? I don't know about the other chef them, but me feel a way if you know say oh, people that eat Jamaican food. All Jamaicans supposed to feel a way. If you know say people that eat Jamaican food and that are the impression left on them. Nah man. You do better than that, man. Me a beg you. If you can't manage it, left it alone. No trouble will never trouble you. As my granny would have said, don't trouble will never trouble you. You understand? Leave it alone. You cannot cook what you do in the kitchen. If you can't manage to eat, stay out of the kitchen, brother. Left it alone. Because yes, give everybody a bad name. All Jamaican chefs feel it. We are feel it out here. Because people feel like Jamaican food not valid, it not ready. When you do them something, they don't have to know how to, brother.
Again, on the need for stop him and stop rob people. Gosh.
Yeah, man, my friend. Them need to stop it. Do better. I understand on them need to do better. Do better. People like, comment and share the video. Tell them whoever do it, just tell them say stop sell out Jamaica. Me I beg you, please stop it. Do better. Do better.